Okay, so troubleshooting the Android Auto sleeping, not sleeping issue with my Dasaita head unit. This is the ISO connector in my car, and as you can see, yellow here is connected in position 4. Yellow is constant power from the battery, so battery 12, and red is connected in, that's 5, 6, position 7, which is switched power from the battery, so that's the accessory wire. So yellow is constant, red is switched. As you can see, yellow is at the top in 4, red is at the bottom in 7. Compare that with the connector that Dasaita sent me in the box, and you will see over here red is in position 4 and yellow is in position 7. So I've matched those up and they are definitely reversed according to the labeling on the back of the head unit as well. So let's just confirm that one more time. Red is at the top here, yellow is at the bottom. On this one, yellow is at the top, red is at the bottom. So I'm going to switch those around in the Dasaita harness that they got backwards now, and hopefully that'll solve the issue.